Alright, here's a speed chicken picking lick used by Guthrie Trapp. Check it out. Alrighty, here is a clip of me playing that clip at 140 BPM. I think that clip is like 155 or something super smoking. I can't play it that fast. But here's that. Alrighty, before I show you how to play that lick, I'm going to do a quick self-promotion. So I'll put the timestamps to when I start teaching that lick in the comments section. Anyways, my name is Mike Tuck. Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm a country guitar player here in Texas. Toured with a lot of artists and make my living playing country music. And I want to tell you about my website, honkytonkguitar.com. That's where you can find the tabs for free for this whole solo and that lick as well. Just honkytonkguitar.com. You can get the tabs and backing track and the other speed chicken picking licks. Kind of slowly adding content to that site on a weekly basis. I just launched it last week. And if you like chicken picking playing, I released an album in December of 2023 called Telluride Texas. It features a lot of heavy chicken picking, a lot of really fun songs on there. And I've got a whole bunch of other lessons on my Patreon under patreon.com/MikeTellyTuck that are all country guitar and chicken picking only, because that's really the only thing I know how to do. Alright, here is that lesson. Alright, so this speed chicken picking lick is just outlining the 1, the 4, and the 5. And back to the 1. This is in the key of G, and it's kind of tracing this kind of movement, these little dyads. Then over the C, it's. Then over the D, it's. So that's your kind of foundation of it. I mean, you can dumb this lick down too, like. Kind of deal. But anyways, we start on the, so you go D5, G4, and then pluck. I'm using my middle finger. Actually, sorry, I'm picking on the 7, G7, then you move your index up to G5, then you pluck with your middle finger, go pluck, 7, pick, D, pluck 5, pick D7, pluck 5, pick G8, then pluck G6, pick D8, pick G9, go 7G, 9D, 7G, 10. And that's the whole first lick over the G. And so whenever I get to that one, you're going to want to jump to that one, not with your pinky, but with either your ring or your index, because you got to set up and get right back here. So I find it easier to, I mean, it's kind of a stretch, but you're going so quick. Go to your index to your ring of your fret hand, and now we're over the C. So then you go 9, pluck, 10 of the D string, 9, pick, pluck, 9, pick, 12, work your way back up, 10, 12, 10, 13, 11, 13, 11, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14. Cool, that's over the C. Now we're over the D. You just do that exact same thing that you did in the C, but just shift it up a whole step. So go 11, 12, 11, 14, 12, 14, 12, 15, 13, 15, 13, 16, 14, 16, 14. Cool. 16, 14, 16, 14, 15, 16. So the whole thing really slow. There is the speed chicken pick and lick. Speed chicken pick and lick number 3 of my 5 speed chicken pick and lick series. Alrighty, y'all, and here is the whole solo that I wrote out that includes that lick on the second half. The first 4 bars are my own solo that I worked in, and then the second 4 bars use that speed chicken pick and lick. And the best way to get a lick under your belt is to know how to use it in the context of a song. So be sure to check that out and get the tabs. Again, honkytonkguitar.com. All right, y'all.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The beginning of the solo, we're in G, right? And we're just bending the G string, 5th fret, up a whole step to this pitch, the 7th fret pitch. Keep that up and go with your middle finger of your picking hand. Pluck the B string, 3rd fret. 5, 3, 5, bend down, bend back up, 3, keep the bend up. There's that whole measure. Now we're in C. And we're taking the flat 7 of the C scale, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, and we're bending up a whole step to the C. And you go bend up a whole step, and use your middle finger of your picking hand to hit the high open E. That's that whole measure. Now we're back over G. We're sliding in, B string, 2 to 3. Use your middle finger of your picking hand to pick that high E on the 1st fret. 2, 3, high E, B string, 3, 2, 1 of the B string. So it's Then you slide in with your middle finger of your fret hand, 2, 3 in the G string. And then you hit your B string open with your middle finger of your picking hand. And then you pick down on the third string, third, and you're doing a pull off. You're going to go 3, 2, 0. Then you go to D string, third fret, pick and pull off. Hit the G string to finish that lick. Sorry. And now we are over the D chord. I do kind of like a ghost picking on the and of the fourth measure of C. Then you slide in on the 5th string, 4th fret to 5th fret, and then do like a little ghost note. That's a ghost note. Any kind of, note that doesn't create an actual pitch, kind of a dead note. Super common in chicken picking. And then you go 3, 4 on the D string. So you go 3, 4, ghost note, and then here's this is kind of outlines this shape, a D7 flat 9 chord. This note, that's the flat 9 of the D scale. We'll push this, it leads us nicely back into G. So 3, 4 again, 3, 4, G string 2nd fret, G string 5th fret, B string 4th fret, pull off to 3rd fret, back to G string 5th fret, 2 of the G string, and this might be a little tricky. And my first finger is playing all those notes, so I can set myself up nicely for that speed chicken picking lick. So sliding it. So that's when the speed chicken picking lick starts. You guys have that from the first part. So that's where that first part got us to. So after that we go G string 16, 15, slide down to 14. Then use your middle finger of your picking hand to snap that 13th fret first string. And that's on the 10th fret, high E string. You're going to want to pick that with your right hand middle finger. I can't do that just with picking. I can't get that B string to be quiet, so. And then you're picking the 10th fret G string, up whole step, kind of snapping both. Without your left hand, it's like. Alright, the whole thing slowly. Alrighty, y'all. If y'all dug this video, I'd appreciate any support on the YouTube or Instagram. Follow me I'm on Instagram under Mike Tellytuck, and patreon.com/MikeTellytuck, TikTok, all that stuff. Check out my website. I got a really great teacher. I'm partnering up with that to have a bunch of fundamental stuff on that site too. And the site's goal is to take you from 0 to 100. So whether you know any scales on guitar at all, it'll take you there. Those videos are not up yet currently. It's January 2024 right now, but hopefully soon they will all be up there, and we'll be alive and kicking on honkytonkguitar.com. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much for checking out this video.